Did you know 90% of businesses waste their digital marketing budget because they don't understand the difference between SEO and SEM? If you've been confusing these two crucial strategies, you're leaving money on the table. Let me clear this up once and for all. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about earning free organic traffic from search engines. Think of it like planting a garden. You invest time optimizing your website with quality content, technical improvements, and building backlinks. It takes months to see results, but eventually, you harvest sustainable, long-term traffic without paying per visitor. SEM, or search engine marketing, is the paid approach. You're essentially renting visibility through platforms like Google Ads, bidding on keywords, and paying each time someone clicks. The big advantage? Immediate visibility and precise targeting. You can appear at the top of search results today, target specific demographics, and measure exact returns on investment. Here's the secret most marketers won't tell you. It's not actually SEO versus SEM. The most successful businesses use both strategically. Use SEM for immediate results, new product launches, or time-sensitive promotions. Meanwhile, build your SEO foundation for long-term sustainable growth. This balanced approach gives you both immediate visibility and lasting digital presence. If you've been focusing on just one approach, it's time to diversify. Start by allocating resources to both strategies based on your immediate needs and long-term goals. Follow for more digital marketing insights that actually drive results. What's your biggest challenge with SEO or SEM? Drop it in the comments below.